We're here today looking at the birds in the backyard. I'm not quite sure what these guys are. They're kind of colorful little guys. And they really like the berries that come off the flowering plum tree that are all over the grass. Been sitting there all winter. Don't bother too much with the seed that we've got. It's a pretty big bunch of them. They like the water. Really active guys. Like the fresh water we put out every morning. These birds aren't normally here, so I don't know if they're migratory birds or quite what the story is. Sure like those berries. The berries as big as they are almost. You get this yellow tip trail. You get like a black mask around their eyes. Really nice looking little birds. They have have a comb on their head, some of them. Trying to be careful not to spook them, but I'm taking it through the glass door, so getting a little reflection there. I can't keep track of them, but I've counted about 30 of them approximately or more. They kind of come and go, so I'm not that fast with the count. If you enjoy these birds in the backyard videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the birds with us today.